If you've mastered the art of the gauge swatch, then I have a question for you as a adventurous beginner knitter, okay? I want to work on the Cloud Sweater by Petite Knit. I know, very adventurous of me and ambitious, let's be honest. I did a gauge swatch. The pattern calls for the US 7s, which is this bottom swatch right here. But it's definitely not meeting gauge, but it is really freaking soft. And it's the way that I would like to wear the fabric. The US 6 here still does not meet gauge, but it's a little bit warmer, a little bit more dense, and it's closer to what that gauge that I want is. The US 5, pre-blocking, this has not been blocked, actually meets gauge, but it's a very dense fabric and it's not as soft. Maybe it blocks out, maybe it doesn't, but I would rather not use tiny needles like US 5s, if possible. So here's the math in my head, because this is going to be basically 100% nearly alpaca. If I go with the 6s that I know does not have enough stitches per 10 centimeters, right? Because I don't have enough stitches to meet gauge. That means that it's going to be a bigger fabric if I do this, if I just follow the pattern. So like if I just do a small, like I would normally, I would then end up with a bigger sweater, right? So then I would size down so that I would have a small sweater, because fewer stitches make up 10 centimeters. Does that, am I mathing this correctly? But, so I would size down. But I know that alpaca grows. And so that would mean that I would want to go 2 sizes down. So instead of doing a small, I would do an extra small to end up with a small. Is that math correct?